Hello, everyone. Today I thought I'd give you a quick behind the scenes look at how I organize my Notion template business. I'm going to show you how I keep track of all my products and everything that goes just into creating and selling templates. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through my workflow that I use. So, from brainstorming my product ideas to creating templates to writing listings and planning launches and just managing everything after that product goes live and promoting it. As you can see here, the workspace is called the Notion Template Seller Business Dash. And even though this version I'm showing you today is filled with sample content, just for the walkthrough, it is inspired by the workflow I've built for my own business over the years. So I use a very similar template for my own business. All right, so let's jump in. So this is the main dashboard, and it's where I start almost every day. I like having everything in one place where I can just quickly see what I'm working on, what's coming up, and where every product is in the creation process. So you can see I have my workflow right here, my tasks for today, this week, complete, this month, and all of my tasks. I have my goals over here and the progress and the status of each goal, my templates that are currently being worked on, my finances for this month, and some quick links in case I want to access anything super fast with one click. That's all set up right here. So let's start over here with the idea vault and research. So that's where every new product begins. Every template starts as an idea, obviously. This is where I save product ideas, customer requests, inspiration, and just market research. So whenever inspiration strikes, I can quickly just save that here, and I'm never starting from a blank page. I also like to keep some competitor research and notes together in one place so I can just see patterns and identify gaps in the market before I start building. Then I have a idea scoring guide down here where I just answer questions to see how good this product idea is. So that is my idea vault and research page. And here I can just super quickly add new templates with the click of one button right here. And you may have noticed I also have that add new product idea. I also have a quick link on my dashboard for that. Okay, so let's go into my product creation page. So once I decide to move forward with an idea, this is where it lives. I keep track of every product I'm working on, what stage it's in, and any tasks that still need to be completed. I usually don't try to build an entire template system in one sitting, and instead I move each product through a simple workflow, which you can see here, and that makes the whole process just feel much more manageable. So you can see here I have a creation pipeline, so you can see which template is in what state or what status of each template is. So I have outline, build, test, list, launch, and everything that's live, and then everything that's retired. Then I have for each template, each template gets their own product creation checklist. So when I add a new template, you can see it gets their own checklist for each one. And then I can just check this off, and then down here, the progress will update. So once I check every step off, then it will be at 100%. And then I know the template is live and ready. I do have a little bit of a breakdown for each step. So I have research, planning, so what's included, then the build section, the building part of the template, testing, listing, some listing resources, and finally the launch, what I need to do so that it's complete. So that is product creation. And next up, let's go into design assets. So that's just where I keep everything that I access frequently. So you can see there are some icons here, Canva graphics, photos, colors, branding elements, anything else that I would need while creating graphics, a listing, promo content, that's all right here. listing image templates, little copy paste things if I want to style something in a Notion template, some widgets so I can easily add them to my Notion templates. So that's all in the design assets. Then next up, let's take a look at my product library really quick. So this is where I track all my products. Here's that progress from the product creation page. And yeah, I just like to keep everything in one place so I can see everything that's live and that's being worked on. I have some detailed listing details, sales, so how much it costs, how many I've sold, total revenue. I can link my PDF download right here, marketing and promotion. So if I created the graphics for email, Pinterest, and social content, and then top selling products are listed down here, so I know what's performing best. And let's take a look let's take a look at the promotions really quick. So here's where I would plan my bundles and any promotions that I would like to do, even if they're still like far out in the future, maybe for Black Friday or something, that would all go right here. The content planner, that's all the different pieces of my content. So email, blog post, YouTube, Pinterest, and I can save my drafts here, work on them, set a publishing date, change the status, add notes, add graphics, anything I'd like to do just specifically for my content. And that's how I promote my templates. So that would be once a listing is ready, then I would move into this promotion phase. So yeah, having this connected just to the rest of my workflow makes just launches and promotion in general feel much less overwhelming. So I like it for that. Then let's take a look at, let's take a look at finances. So that one is not as exciting, so maybe kind of boring for some of you, but it's expensive. It's important. And it's like super easy to see just what's my income for this month, what's my expenses, and then it will automatically go into this monthly overview down here and just show you for every month what was my income, what were my expenses, my revenue, and the revenue goal I had set for this month and how it compared to my actual revenue. So that's just a nice little snapshot to have. It's kind of out of order. June, July, August, September. Okay, I fixed it. And then a subscription tracker and a wish list for anything I would like to purchase for my business, any programs or a new laptop or stuff like that would all go into my wish list down here. So that's finances. And let's finally take a look maybe at customer support, because launching a product isn't the end of the process. So this is where I would keep track of customer questions, feature requests, updates, and improvements. I have a copy paste message here for buyers after they make a purchase on Etsy or other platforms, and any trends and insights, I can keep track of those right here. So that is my page for customer support. And yeah, I think that's a good wrap up as far as taking a look at my workflow that I use to run my Notion template business. And just having everything organized in this workspace has made a really big difference in how I plan, create, and just manage my products. And that's exactly why I made this business dash and what inspired this. So if you're a Notion template creator or you're thinking about becoming one, I hope this gave you a few ideas you can use in your own business as far as getting organized and managing all your products. And you can also purchase this template if you'd like. I will put the link below this video. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.